everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Holochain. Wow, what's the current price of the Holochain? What's the prices occur in the Holochain? And especially in this video, I'm talking about the Holochain. Very important update. Especially you really need to see this update, so keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you're new on my channel, so please subscribe to this channel and like this video for more this kind of important news and updates videos. Anyways, let's move on and let's start the video. So friends, now the current price of the Holochain in the market at this time is 0.010861 USD dollar is the current price of the Holochain. On the other side, if you look the prices occur in the Holochain, so the last 1 hour, the last 1 day, the last 1 week, prices occur in the Holochain is going down. The price of the Holochain is going down day by day, minute by minute, hour by hour. Oh my god, is that Holochain? Wow, absolutely, that's Holochain. Oh my god, I'm really shocked to see this kind of fast occur in the Holochain. What I do at this time? What's wrong with you, Holochain? Just start moving upward. Don't fast down, my friends. Oh my god, if you look the price chart, so absolutely, I think the price chart is also going down. These are the big falls of the Holochain, but don't worry. When I see this kind of jump, so I'm very happy. The jump of the Holochain as a quick jump. Remember that if the Holochain starts jumping, so they go straight. As you can see now, this time they start jumping, so they go straight. So I really like this character of the Holochain, friends. What's your opinion about this character of the Holochain? Please tell me in the comment box. Anyways, friends, if you look the current condition of the Holochain, so I know at this time the Holochain is fast down. So at this time the Holochain have no idea to take a jump, friends. But remember that my prediction, my opinion is that with the passage of time and after a few hours or after one day, they again start jumping, friends. But after a few hours, the jump of the Holochain is confirmed. That's only my prediction. Maybe they fast down more, but a lot of chances to they take a jump after a few hours or after a one day, friends. Anyways, friends, if we look the price changes occur in the Holochain as negative 1.82% and the highest price is 0.012784 USD dollar is the highest price of the Holochain, friends, in the last 24 hours, friends. So absolutely now this time the price of the Holochain is going down, but that's not mean then you decide to sell Holochain. If you want to make a good amount of profit, if you want high amount of profit with the Holochain, so absolutely you have to hold Holochain for a long time, friends. And what's your prediction, what's your opinion about Holochain? Please also share in the comment box. And kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected with the ABS Tech channel.